Is Google Chrome slowing down, freezing, or showing that annoying page unresponsive message? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Hey everyone, welcome back to Infotrix, where we make technology simple for everyone. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes and smart how-to videos. Let's jump to our videos. First, if too many tabs are open, Chrome may run out of memory. Just close the unnecessary tabs and restart Chrome. Sometimes this alone fixes the page unresponsive issues. You can follow this step for other browser, so no problem if you're using any other browser on your machine. Next, let's clear cached files that might be causing the problem. Go to three dot here, click here and settings and privacy and security, clear browsing data. Select cache image and files and cookies, then click clear data. Extensions can freeze your browser, so you have to remove it or you have to disable from your machine. Go to your browser and search for extensions. Chrome browser extensions are here, and disable anything you don't recognize. Restart Chrome and check if the issue is gone. Outdated versions of Chrome often cause performance issues. Go to Menu and Help and about the Chrome or your favorite browser, and your browser will check for update automatically. Thing works, reset Chrome to default. Your browser reset to default. Go to Settings, reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. This removes harmful changes but keeps your bookmarks. Malware can cause heavy freezing. You can use Go to Settings, reset and clean up computer, then clean. And that's it. This step should fix the page unresponsive problem in your browser. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Infotrix. For more quick tech solutions, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.